Kam balam tangsni kedaya Office of the Research Officer, District and Local Research Station and Laboratories, Western Hills. Keteng juga post kedai Technical Assistant. Post keteng Technical Assistant. Ka number of post kalong artli. Ka jingyo kalong arpsan hajar SHIBUN. Ka kadan puli kalong pidi pendep ya ka graduate lani post graduate ka agriculture lani horticulture lani food science and technology lani microbiology technology nakano gino ka university. Kin kampi ti candidate ki badan ya ka certificate course lani working experience haka mushroom spawn production bala itu da ka government laboratory lani production unit. Pidi pendan digital pro haka basic computer knowledge kum ka MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, Internet, emails, data extra, perkara data entry. Kumno papin apply, pan apply ka standard form, but PDF and self-attested load, copy kum ka mark sheet, certificate of age proof, residential certificate, but kiwi. PDF submit check office chunga research officer, district and local research station and laboratories, Western Hills, Juwai. Kelas 3 bersama di application kalong South July ajar puar.